How do you promote a coaching business online? Here's what actually moves clients. Start with direct outreach to your existing network, former colleagues, people you've helped informally, professional connections. Most successful coaches land their first paying clients within 2 to 4 weeks of focused outreach to people they already know, not strangers from social media. Social media looks busy but converts poorly for coaches. The channels that work better are direct outreach, email marketing, podcast appearances, and free workshops. The leverage move that changes the math. Combining email marketing with a group coaching program. Across 32,000 courses on our platform, coaches who run a group program generate 3 to 5 times more revenue per hour than coaches relying solely on one-on-one client acquisition. Most coaches we work with reach sustainable revenue in 6 to 12 months. The accelerator is creating a course or group program that builds social proof. For the 9 promotion strategies that work without burnout, when paid ads make sense, and how to build a course-based funnel for coaching. Links in the description.